Good afternoon, everyone, and hello. I am Gilbert Lopez, Ingram Micro Cloud Professional Services Consultant for the U.S. My presentation is an overview of our pro services offerings. It will highlight a few of our specializations, and I'll close with an illustration of our cloud services methodology. This is the last presentation before our break, so I promise to stay within my time and give you an opportunity to refresh before our next set of speakers. So let's jump in. Jason, next slide. Ingram Micro Lifecycle Services are categorized by work effort within these functions, from discovery and assessment, architecture and design services, which I will go into a bit deeper on the slides coming up, proof of concept to prove out architecture for your customers, and migration services, DevOps and app modernization, things like Kubernetes will fall into here, well-architected security and optimization services, and managed support 24/7. The Ingram Pro Services Center of Excellence is staffed with experienced Google Cloud architects to complement your cloud practice in delivering specialized solutions to your customers. You'll find these service SKUs with descriptions within the Ingram Cloud Marketplace. I encourage you to go in and take a look. Ordering is project specific based on level of effort or fixed service cost, as scoped by our pre-sales technical consultants and quoted by myself or a member of my team. Next slide, Jason, please. IMC's strategic consulting services includes, but not limited to, cloud enablement, application placement. Where should some things land out? Should it be under IaaS, underneath VM, or put more into a SaaS or PaaS service? Migration, transformation, and optimization. Ingram has dedicated pre-sales Google Cloud technical consultants to fully deliver or complement your discovery, cloud framework, road mapping, and or financial planning efforts based on customer goals and business objectives. If you haven't already, please reach out to your solutions development rep to arrange a call with our pre-sales team, myself included. Jason, next slide, please. Ingram offers end-to-end cloud migration services from discovery and assessment, architecture and design, proof of concept and migration. Our experts can deliver in all areas or only the areas you need us to. Working in coordination with our pre-sales technical consultants and our professional services delivery team, a properly scoped and accurately priced solution will be executed per your customer's requirements. You'll find this easy to transact through our cloud marketplace. It's what kicks off the workflow and gets your project started. Jason, next slide, please. A few of our areas of specialization. Like many of you on this call, our depth of experience and competencies are constantly expanding. Just because you don't see a specialization on this slide doesn't mean we aren't working toward it. If you need, please reach out and ask your solutions development rep to get us on a call. That said, some of our areas of specializations include virtual desktop, serverless architecture, advanced and hybrid networking architecture, automation and templating for DevOps, containerization and hyperscaling, security, as well as big data. We're also working, evaluating adding machine learning and IoT architectures to our bench as well. Jason, next slide, please. Ingram Micro offers well-architected reviews for Google Cloud to provide a clear understanding of the state of Google workloads mapped against Google design principles and best practices. This review is a combination of a discovery meeting, interviews with key stakeholders, and data analysis. Based on the 5 core framework pillars listed on this slide, our cloud experts will draft a prioritized remediation roadmap of short, medium, and long-term remediation goals. This review includes a limited remediation scope of 40% of HRIs and a complete, accurate scope of work for the implementation of 100% remediation and the associated remediation costs to the partners. Ingram's well-architected review is typically a fixed price offering and orderable via our cloud marketplace. Jason, next one, please. Cost optimization experts will provide best practices for cost optimization by focusing on the 5 areas listed below. The advisory services are performed as a one-time assessment on the cloud infrastructure that typically lasts for about 2 weeks, followed by a report outlining the recommendations. The services are performed to eliminate waste and maximize investment. The resulting cost optimization reports will identify idle, unused, or misprovisioned resources. It also recommends right-sizing within and across compute resources and reserve purchase recommendations for multiple resource types. We also provision intelligent budget and resourcing alerts. Cost management tools for GCP will be utilized to generate detailed, pre-built, and custom spend analyses for ongoing cost monitoring. Cost optimization services is also a single fixed price SKU, also orderable in the cloud marketplace. Jason? Google Security Services launching in Q4. Ingram's Google Security Services will be a one-time comprehensive security assessment of the customer's Google Cloud environment. Security experts will work directly with you and the end user in reviewing recommendations and solutions based on industry and Google Cloud best practices. Some of the security areas that will be analyzed could include the management, identity, and access, platform protection, security operations management, and data and application security. We will announce the launch in Q4, so please stay tuned for that. Jason, last slide, please. Yes, our cloud methodology. To minimize risk and put our partners and customers on a path to a successful cloud deployment or expansion, I include this slide to tie everything back to our pro services offering. From envision to optimize, the checkboxes listed under each phase include enablement, discovery, DNA, migrate, and optimize. Ensures that we are capturing all of the elements of your customer's cloud journey to a successful outcome. Our team of pre-sales Google Cloud technical consultants and bench of pro services architects are here to support your opportunities to any degree you need us. Once again, I encourage you to engage our pro services team to discuss how we can help. This concludes my portion of the Google Cloud kickoff, but it's only the start of our professional services relationship. I do hope you find this information useful, and I do look forward to working with you.